I would say definitely bring them in. Definitely bring in Genius Potential. They got the students so hyped up.
Who do you want to thank?
You, everyone, my parents, Europe.
The engagement really makes them be focused, and then with the music.
They got them really engaged. But at the same time, you were able to give the message.
Are about to take a fun career quiz, and you're about to figure out which type of genius you are and what jobs match that genius.
What kind of careers did you get for that? Did you find one that was a good fit? Midwife?
Design a career where my passion is key.
Anyone relate to that? Make some noise if you had making an impact. So those are the different types of genius.
Top 2 types of genius that you got.
Artistic and realistic.
Artistic obviously is like creative. Realistic is like, take things apart, put them back together. What kind of careers did the quiz say would be a good fit for you?
Set builder and musical instrument technician.
Chemical engineering.
Chemical engineer, okay, awesome.
Does anyone want Mariah to be the marketing manager? Make some noise.
Refinery shift manager.